Hi, to enable and disable Smart Sidebar on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we will need to open Settings first and here go in the display. After that, if you scroll a bit, you will see this section Edge Panels, which we need to select, and we can either enable it or disable just by tapping on the switcher. And when it's enabled, you can see this line on the right side of the display, which you can simply swipe left and open this list of apps. Here in the panels, you can customize this Smart Sidebar. You can select not only apps but people, Smart Select. Here you can also enable tasks, weather, tools, reminder, and clipboard. To save the changes, it is enough to simply go back using this arrow. And here in the handle, you can also just change the style, transparency, side, width, and so on. And to use it, just swipe left, open any app, and it's really simple. You can also make a split screen with the help of this feature. Just press and hold any app, drop it on the screen, and select another app, and here is your split screen. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.